Hello everyone, here are 10 lines on aeroplane. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Wright Brothers invented the aeroplane. Aeroplanes have a big body, two large wings and a tail. An aeroplane flies in the sky. A shed where planes are kept is called hangars. Men or women who fly planes are called pilots. The place where we can board an aeroplane is the airport. An aeroplane travels at a very high speed. It can take about 100 to 400 passengers from one place to another. Aeroplanes have made traveling across the world very easy. Thank you.